What has 4 legs and ticks?
A walking clock? A walking clock!
Bart, is it a walking clock?
What? No, it's my dog.
Thank you, Bart. Great job.
Yay! I knew the dog before he came to class. You gotta pet him hard so he can feel it.
Look, let the doggy sneeze.
Ha! It thinks it's people.
Poochie! Poochie, Poochie, Poochie!
Remain calm. There is a dog in the vent.
Lunch, Lady Doris. Have you got any grease?
Yes, we do.
Then grease me up, woman!
Okie dokie.
There's nary an animal alive that can outrun a grease scotsman. No, out we go.